Good morning, everyone. In last lecture, we have studied about how to draw an angle bisector. In this lecture, we will see how to draw an angle which is equal in measure to the given angle. That is our topic for today. So, means what? We want to construct the angle which is exactly equal in measure to the given angle. So, let's see. Our topic is construct an angle equal in measure to given angle. Means if angle of any measure is given and we want to construct the another angle of the same measure by using compass. So let's see, there are only few steps for doing this. See, the first step, suppose here we draw an angle of measure taking some 80 degree. Join this. You can extend this. Okay. Now this is angle ABC of measure 80 degree. Now we want to construct another angle of measure 80 degree. Suppose we want to construct the angle PQR of same measure, that is 80 degree, and first we draw here ray QR. It is ray QR. Now let's see the first step for drawing an angle which is equal in measure to ABC. For this, take your compass and fix your pen or pencil in this. Your pen or pencil, point of your pen or pencil or point of your compass must be at equal level. Now first step is draw an arc which cuts the ray BA and BC into two different points. So for drawing an arc, take any convenient distance. So place your point, take any distance, place your point on vertex B and draw an arc which cuts both the ray BA and BC. आपण काय केलं, एक डिस्टन्स घेऊन इथे आर्क ड्रॉ केली जी BA आणि BC ला दोन डिफरंट पॉइंट मध्ये काय करते आहे, इंटरसेक्ट करते आहे. नाउ विथ द सेम डिस्टन्स प्लेस द पॉइंट ऑन Q and draw an arc. For drawing this arc, don't disturb the distance. So now this is the intersection point, name it as Z, and the intersection point of this arc and ray BC is the N, and ray BA and intersection of intersecting point of arc is M. Now let's see the next step for drawing an angle. Now measure the gap between this arc or this angle by using your compass. So measure this distance, this arc that is M to N by using this. So by using this you can measure the distance of this arc M to N. With same distance, place your point of compass on Z, and that is the Z is the intersection point. So place your point of compass on Z and draw an arc. Keep the point here on Z and draw an arc which cuts the previous arc. So काय केलं आपण इथे, जो काही गॅप असेल अँगलचा, दॅट इज आर्कची जी काही लेंथ असेल ती आपण मेजर केली आणि ती न चेंज करता, त्या डिस्टन्स न चेंज करता आपण पॉइंट कुठे ठेवला, झेड वरती ठेवला कंपासचा ऑन इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट आणि आर्क ड्रॉ केली जी प्रिव्हियस आर्कला काहीतरी पॉइंट मध्ये कट करते. सो आपण त्याला नेम दिलं that is X. Now third step is only join the vertex and intersection point of arcs. So join this. You can extend this furthermore. Now this is the angle PQR. This is the ray QR and this is the ray QP and QR. This intersection point is X and the intersection point of ray QR and arc is Z. Now you can verify by using protector. This is our point here and our angle is exactly of 80 degree. Understand how to construct an angle of given angle which is exactly equal in measure to the given angle. So we will take next example. खूप सिंपल स्टेप्स आहेत त्या यूज करून तुम्ही अँगल अनदर अँगल काढू शकता. Like first angle, suppose here we will take an angle of 50 degree. Now let's see. You can take an angle of any measure. So join this. This is the angle. Name this angle as X, Y, Z. This is the angle of measure 50 degree. Now we want to draw another angle which is equal measure in X, Y, Z. Angle X, Y, Z. What is our first step? Suppose we want to draw an angle ABC. So let's see. First draw a ray that is BC. Now we want to draw an angle. What is our first step? Take your compass, draw an arc with any convenient distance. So place the point of compass. You take any distance here. Place the point of compass on vertex of angle and draw an arc which cuts both the ray that is YX and YZ. With the same distance, place the point of compass on the B and draw an arc which cuts the ray BC. Understand? Now name this point of intersection as P, Q, and here the intersection point of BC and R is R. Now see the next step is measure the gap. So measure the distance of arc from point P to the Q with your compass. Okay. Now, with the same distance, don't disturb this distance. Place your point of compass on arc and draw an arc which cuts the previous arc. Okay. Here we draw an arc which cuts the previous arc. So name the point of intersection here, that is V, and join this vertex and intersection point of arcs. So join this. This is our angle ABC which is exactly equal in measure to the given angle XYZ. You can measure by using protector. Verifying this. So this is our angle of exactly 50 degree. Understand how to construct an angle which is equal in given angle, equal in measure to the given angle. Very simple. First, if the angle is given like XYZ, then draw an arc with any convenient distance by placing your point point on vertex, that is point of compass on vertex. Draw an arc which cuts both the ray with the same distance. Keep your point on the vertex B. Draw an arc which cuts the ray BC. Now next, measure this distance of the arc, that is PQ. Now keep your point of compass on R and draw an arc which cuts the previous arc and join this vertex and intersection point of R. You will get your angle which is equal in measure to the given angle. Understand how to draw an angle in equal measure. Understand? So we will stop here.